Hey guys, here's our question today, which is worth 20 marks. In part A, we have to divide this line segment AB into 3 equal parts, without measuring it. To do this, we'll have to use one of our constructions, using a compass and set squares. The first thing we need to do is draw a line up from A at an angle. This can be at any angle, but make sure it's not too small or too big, and also make sure that it's fairly long. Now get your compass and mark 3 equal lines along the line we've already drawn. Mine is only fairly rough, but make sure you do it accurately or else it won't work out. The next thing to do is draw a line directly from the last point to B using a ruler. Next, put one set square along the first line we drew, like this. Now put your other set square right beside the other set square, from the last point we marked off with our compass to B. Now move the second set square down to the next point and draw another line parallel to the first line, like this. Repeat this for the last point until you get 3 parallel lines like this. As a result, we're after splitting AB into 3 equal parts. This construction would work no matter how many equal parts they told us to split AB into. For drawing this construction, you get 10 marks. Moving on to part B, we're given this rectangle and we have to find the percentage of the rectangle that's shaded. We're told in the question that AB and DC are divided into 5 equal parts, so we can draw 5 equal rectangles like this. To make our calculations easier, we're going to assign values to the length and height of our rectangles. We're going to say that each rectangle has height h and length a. We can only do this since all rectangles are equal. As a result of this, we can say that the length DC equals 5a and the length AB equals 5a as well. Now we have to find the area of each of the shaded parts. Since the area of a rectangle is the length by the height, the area of the first and last rectangles are just AH, seen as they're fully shaded. To get the area of the shaded region in the second and third rectangles, we can just get the area of this triangle here. Since we know that the area of a triangle is half the base by the height, we can say that the area of this triangle is half the base, which is 2a, times the height, h. We can use the same method for the last triangle, except this time the base is just a, so the area of the triangle is half ah. When we add all the shaded areas together, we get a total area of 3.5 ah. To find this as a percentage of the total rectangle, we need to find out the area of the whole rectangle. Since the length of the rectangle is 5a and the height is h, the area of the whole rectangle is 5ah. To find the percentage of the rectangle that's shaded, we divide the shaded area, which is 3.5 ah, by the area of the whole rectangle, 5ah, which allows us to cancel the ah on the top and the bottom of the fraction, which leaves us with 3.5 over 5, or 7 over 10, which is equal to 70%. And that's the percentage of the whole rectangle that's shaded. Part B is also worth 10 marks. And that marks the end of the question. Thanks for watching, I hope this solution video helped you, and I'll see you again.